Welcome to Las Vegas Smart. Today I got to show you the tutorial of a butterfly kick twist plus the split. The first two things you need to have. You can do good butterfly kick, you can standing stable with balance. Another thing, you need a flexible, you need to have a split. So we're gonna show you step by step how to connect the two things together. This is only for someone already can do the butterfly twist, can standing by your feet with balance, like this. So you can do a kick, okay? And you're landing left and right in straight line into this way. So once you get the balance, the first step when you're landing, you try just put your hand down and slide to a split. So let's try this, okay? I do one more time. Yes. I'm ready. Kick higher, make sure it's good. Yes, you got it. Yeah, that's the only first step. So once you feel comfortable, you feel you can landing with good balance and your little slide, and then now I want you to do kind of with the one shot, like how to do step. The second step, you want to landing a little bit lower, like a ball stance, and you put a hand on the floor, and you can lean a little bit sideways even. It's fun because that's the way how you can do twist and split like one move. Okay, we're gonna try with this. And go. To try pretty light, a kind of little slide. A very important thing is when you do the split, you try to keep your safe as possible. The two things you need to be careful. So when you're landing, the first thing you don't have to do perfect split because this is the fail. Everybody be a little scared once you do the twist split at the first time. So once you land right there, you put both hands on the floor, just protect you. You feel comfortable, you can land kind of very low, close to the split. And other thing, very important, you put your chest in forward because that's the experience I have. Most people get injured for that when they land this and they lean back, and they can really injure your leg or your back. Even you do speed and you're landing back, and that's how you got injured. So try, remember, very important, stay forward, chest down, hand on the floor to keep you safe. Let's do a couple of times and I show you how you can make the perfect butterfly kick connect to a split, like a one move. Good. Almost, yeah? Almost. This is very close. Once you're training more times with this, you lean forward, you put your hand, you slide down. Once you get comfortable, you will feel more brave. So you can challenge yourself just a little bit at a time. Don't do too quick. Be safe, very important. Okay, let's do one more time like this, that you see how we can make this two moves become one.
The easier it's going to get, and then obviously when you do it right, you're going to land on both feet at the same time, okay?
That is almost the perfect line and hand, like that. All you need to do the next step, you will be open your hand and like this.
Yes.
Okay, so let's do one more time. Let's put your hand up, keep the balance. I will tell you the technique how to do right. Okay, ready? I feel like the challenge too.
Jiayou.
It's like,
All right. That is the one move, how you do twist, how you do the split. Also, so there have something you need to be careful. Once you without hand, you have much more impact by your heel because you're landing like this, you slide. So the split also, you want to have a good balance when you're landing and not for either side because your hand is just right there. Be perfect, like a one pose. So what do you need to be careful? The behind leg, you cannot to be like so straight like this. You say this is not good balance. You can't last the balance. So the good way is say, yin, even this is one move, but it's still kind of landing both feet and slide you. So you got to keep your behind like this and go down this. You go like this. So you can hold pretty good balance. So this is one thing. This is take a lot of practice, and the safety always the first, right? I hope this help you. Thank you very much. I see you in next video.